Hi. In this video we will be talking about the scary truth about credit repair companies and their effect on your finances. Watch this video to the end to learn the scary truth about credit repair companies and their profound effects on personal finances. Welcome back to the International CEO. In a world where credit plays a pivotal role in financial transactions, the allure of a perfect credit score can be tempting. For many individuals struggling with poor credit, the promise of quick fixes offered by credit repair companies can seem like a beacon of hope. However, beneath the surface lies a murky industry rife with pitfalls and dangers that can exacerbate financial woes rather than alleviate them. This essay delves into the scary truth about credit repair companies and their profound effects on personal finances. Understanding credit repair companies. Credit repair companies promise to boost credit scores by removing negative items from credit reports. These negative items may include late payments, collections, bankruptcies, and other derogatory marks that lower credit scores. Typically, credit repair companies charge fees for their services, often requiring upfront payments or monthly subscriptions. The scams and pitfalls. While some credit repair companies operate legitimately, many others engage in deceptive practices that can harm consumers. One common tactic is promising results that are too good to be true. These companies may guarantee substantial increases in credit scores within a short period, a promise that is often unrealistic and misleading. Moreover, some credit repair companies resort to illegal or unethical methods to remove negative items from credit reports. These methods may include disputing accurate information, creating fake identities, or encouraging clients to engage in fraudulent activities. Such practices not only violate the law but can also result in severe consequences for consumers, including legal repercussions and further damage to their credit. The regulatory landscape. The credit repair industry operates within a regulatory framework designed to protect consumers from fraud and abuse. The Credit Repair Organizations Act, CROA, is a federal law that governs the activities of credit repair companies in the United States. Under CROA, credit repair companies must adhere to certain guidelines, such as providing consumers with a written contract outlining services and fees, refraining from making false or misleading claims, and allowing consumers to cancel their contracts within a specified period. Despite these regulations, enforcement can be lax, and many credit repair companies continue to flout the law with impunity. Additionally, the regulatory landscape varies from country to country, with some jurisdictions having stricter oversight than others. As a result, consumers must remain vigilant and exercise caution when dealing with credit repair companies. The financial impact. The financial impact of engaging with a credit repair company can be significant and long-lasting. While some consumers may experience temporary improvements in their credit scores, these gains are often short-lived, and the underlying issues remain unresolved. Furthermore, the fees charged by credit repair companies can add up quickly, draining resources that could be better spent on legitimate methods of improving credit, such as paying off debts and establishing positive payment histories. Moreover, the damage caused by fraudulent or unethical credit repair practices can be irreparable. In some cases, consumers may find themselves facing legal action or further damage to their credit as a result of engaging with disreputable companies. Additionally, the stress and anxiety associated with financial uncertainty can take a toll on mental and emotional well-being, further compounding the negative effects of credit repair scams. Alternatives to credit repair companies. Rather than relying on credit repair companies, consumers have several alternatives for improving their credit scores and financial health. One option is to work directly with creditors and credit bureaus to address inaccuracies or discrepancies on credit reports. By disputing inaccurate information and negotiating with creditors to settle debts, consumers can take proactive steps to improve their credit without resorting to costly third-party services. Additionally, financial literacy and education play a crucial role in empowering consumers to manage their finances effectively. By learning about credit scores, debt management, and responsible financial practices, individuals can take control of their financial futures and avoid falling victim to scams and predatory lending practices. The promise of a perfect credit score can be tantalizing, but the reality is that credit repair companies often fail to deliver on their lofty promises. Instead of providing genuine solutions to financial challenges, many credit repair companies engage in deceptive practices that can harm consumers and exacerbate their financial woes. From false guarantees to illegal tactics, the dangers of credit repair scams are real and pervasive. Exploring the dark side of credit repair companies. To delve deeper into the murky waters of the credit repair industry, it's crucial to examine some of the common tactics and strategies employed by unscrupulous companies. One such tactic is known as jamming, where credit repair companies inundate credit bureaus with frivolous disputes in an attempt to overwhelm the system and force the removal of negative items. This practice not only clogs the dispute resolution process but also increases the likelihood of legitimate disputes being overlooked or ignored. Another nefarious technique is known as file segregation, where credit repair companies advise consumers to create new identities or obtain fraudulent social security numbers to establish clean credit histories. This illegal practice not only violates federal law but can also result in severe penalties, including fines and imprisonment. Despite the risks, some credit repair companies continue to promote file segregation as a quick fix for poor credit, preying on vulnerable individuals desperate for a fresh start. Furthermore, some credit repair companies engage in predatory lending practices, offering high-interest loans or credit cards to consumers with poor credit under the guise of helping them rebuild their credit. These loans often come with exorbitant fees and terms that are heavily stacked against the borrower, trapping them in a cycle of debt and financial insecurity. By exploiting the financial vulnerability of their clients, these companies perpetuate a cycle of poverty and dependence that can be difficult to escape. The role of credit bureaus. Credit repair companies operate within the ecosystem of credit reporting agencies, which play a central role in determining individuals' creditworthiness. While credit bureaus are tasked with accurately reporting consumers' credit histories, they are not infallible and can make mistakes that negatively impact credit scores. However, rather than addressing these errors promptly and transparently, credit bureaus often prioritize their relationships with lenders and creditors, making it difficult for consumers to dispute inaccurate information effectively. Moreover, the lack of transparency and accountability within the credit reporting industry exacerbates the challenges faced by consumers seeking to repair their credit. Many credit bureaus operate behind closed doors, shielding themselves from public scrutiny and accountability. As a result, consumers are left in the dark about the inner workings of the credit reporting process and are often powerless to challenge inaccurate information on their credit reports. The importance of financial literacy. In light of the risks posed by credit repair companies, financial literacy emerges as a powerful tool for empowering consumers to take control of their financial destinies. By educating themselves about credit scores, debt management, and responsible financial practices, individuals can make informed decisions about their finances and avoid falling victim to scams and predatory lending practices. Financial literacy programs and resources play a crucial role in equipping consumers with the knowledge and skills they need to navigate the complexities of the credit system. From understanding the factors that influence credit scores to learning how to budget and save effectively, financial literacy empowers individuals to make sound financial decisions that align with their long-term goals and aspirations. Moreover, financial literacy fosters resilience and self-reliance, enabling individuals to weather financial setbacks and overcome challenges with confidence and determination. By cultivating a mindset of financial empowerment and resilience, consumers can break free from the cycle of debt and dependence perpetuated by credit repair companies and take control of their financial futures. Practical steps for improving credit. In addition to financial literacy, there are several practical steps that individuals can take to improve their credit scores and financial health. One such step is to review credit reports regularly and dispute any inaccuracies or discrepancies promptly. By staying vigilant and proactive, consumers can ensure that their credit reports are accurate and up-to-date, thereby maximizing their creditworthiness and financial stability. Another essential strategy for improving credit is to pay bills on time and in full each month. Payment history accounts for a significant portion of credit scores, so making timely payments is crucial for maintaining a positive credit profile. Additionally, keeping credit card balances low and avoiding excessive debt can help improve credit utilization ratios and demonstrate responsible financial behavior to lenders and creditors. Furthermore, individuals can explore alternative credit building tools, such as secured credit cards and credit builder loans, to establish or rebuild credit without resorting to high-risk or predatory lending practices. These products offer a safe and accessible way for consumers to build credit gradually and responsibly, without exposing themselves to unnecessary financial risk. The scary truth about credit repair companies is that they often prey on vulnerable consumers desperate for a quick fix to their financial problems. By making false promises, engaging in illegal practices, and exploiting the complexities of the credit system, these companies perpetuate a cycle of debt and dependence that can be difficult to escape. However, by understanding the risks associated with credit repair companies and investing in financial literacy and education, consumers can protect themselves from falling victim to scams and predatory lending practices. By taking proactive steps to improve their credit scores and financial health, individuals can break free from the cycle of debt and build a solid foundation for a brighter financial future. Ultimately, the path to financial empowerment lies in knowledge, resilience, and responsible financial management. By arming themselves with the tools and resources they need to succeed, consumers can take control of their financial destinies and achieve their long-term goals and aspirations. While the credit repair industry is fraught with scams and unethical practices, it's important to acknowledge that not all credit repair companies operate in bad faith. Ethical credit repair firms exist and can provide valuable assistance to individuals seeking to improve their credit scores and financial health. These companies adhere to strict ethical standards and prioritize transparency, accountability, and consumer education in their operations. Ethical credit repair companies typically offer a range of services designed to help consumers understand their credit reports, dispute inaccurate information, and develop personalized strategies for improving their credit scores. These services may include credit counseling, debt management, and financial planning, all aimed at empowering clients to take control of their finances and achieve their long-term goals. Moreover, ethical credit repair companies are committed to compliance with all relevant laws and regulations governing the credit repair industry. They provide clear and transparent pricing structures, avoid making unrealistic promises or guarantees, and prioritize the best interests of their clients above all else. By operating with integrity and professionalism, these companies distinguish themselves from their less scrupulous counterparts and earn the trust and confidence of consumers. In addition to ethical credit repair practices, consumers are afforded certain rights and protections under federal law to help them navigate the credit repair process safely and effectively. The Credit Repair Organizations Act, CROA, is a federal law that governs the activities of credit repair companies in the United States and provides important safeguards for consumers. Under CROA, credit repair companies are required to provide consumers with a written contract detailing the services to be performed, the terms of payment, and the timeframe for achieving results. Consumers have the right to cancel their contracts within 3 business days without penalty and can sue credit repair companies that violate their rights under CROA. Furthermore, consumers have the right to dispute inaccurate information on their credit reports directly with the credit bureaus and creditors. The Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, mandates that credit bureaus investigate disputes and correct any errors found within 30 days. If the disputed information cannot be verified, it must be removed from the consumer's credit report. Empowering consumers through education. Ultimately, the key to protecting consumers from the dangers of credit repair scams lies in education and empowerment. By arming themselves with knowledge and understanding their rights and options, consumers can make informed decisions about their finances and avoid falling victim to scams and predatory lending practices. Financial literacy programs and resources play a crucial role in empowering consumers to take control of their financial destinies. From understanding the factors that influence credit scores to learning how to budget, save, and invest wisely, financial literacy equips individuals with the tools and resources they need to succeed in today's complex financial landscape. Moreover, consumer advocacy groups and government agencies play an important role in holding credit repair companies accountable and protecting consumers from fraud and abuse. These organizations provide valuable information and resources to help consumers recognize and report scams, file complaints, and seek restitution for damages incurred. Moving forward. Building a brighter financial future. The scary truth about credit repair companies is that they often prey on vulnerable consumers and perpetuate a cycle of debt and dependence. However, by understanding the risks associated with credit repair scams and investing in financial literacy and education, consumers can protect themselves from harm and take control of their financial futures. Ethical credit repair companies, consumer rights and protections, and financial literacy programs all play a crucial role in empowering individuals to make informed decisions about their finances and achieve their long-term goals. By arming themselves with knowledge and understanding their rights and options, consumers can navigate the complexities of the credit system safely and effectively, building a brighter financial future for themselves and their families. Ultimately, the path to financial empowerment begins with education, empowerment, and responsible financial management. By taking proactive steps to improve their credit scores and financial health, consumers can break free from the cycle of debt and achieve their dreams of financial security and prosperity. With determination, resilience, and the support of ethical credit repair companies and consumer advocates, individuals can overcome financial obstacles and build a solid foundation for a brighter future. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on the International CEO. See you next time.